really good. Wes's is really good, but he's also disqualified because he's the owner. He can't win.
Don't tell anybody, but Mesa's actually taste the best because I really like spicy food.
It's true.
I think Josh's flavor was amazing. The beans, he didn't have enough time to prep, but the flavor is awesome out of Josh's here. Wes has burned the shit out of my mouth.
I think Adam's probably going to take it this year. It's really good. He knows how to make a good chili.
Pale Devil, I liked it a lot. And mine takes the cake. I really like Adam's. I like Mike's and Doug's. So they're all really, really good, but Wes is my favorite. Just I'm telling you.
Katie, wiener for a wiener. Good job. Best name, first winner, Josh and Shay. High five to the winners.
Thank you.
Wiener, wiener, chicken dinner.